Hello reception class, here is a little video to explain our phonics lesson for Friday. For today's lesson you will need the three different sheets that you can see on the screen. So you need your game board at the top, you need your table with ch and sh at the top, and you need your pictures for sorting. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now please. Right, let's just have a little recap of the sounds that we have been practicing this week. This week we have been practicing the sounds that you can see on the screen. Before I say them, do you think you can just pause me and see if you can remember them? That's right, reception class. They are ch, ch, sh, sh, and ng, ng, ng. Right, in today's lesson we are going to do a few different activities to practice ch, sh and ng. The first thing we're going to do is I'd like you to go on Phonics Play and have a go at Dragon's Den. You could have a little turn at trying to read ch, ch, ch words, a little turn at trying to read sh words, and a little turn at trying to read words. So pause me now and off you go. Right, next up, you're going to play a little game. So to do that, you will need this game board. And on your board, there are words with in, words with ch in, and words with sh in. What you need to do is choose somebody to play with, both pick a counter, put your counters on the start, then roll a dice, move that number of spaces forwards. Then, if you can read the word that you land on, you get to move a bonus space forward. And then it's your partner's turn to have a go. So they roll the dice, move that number of spaces, and try and read the words. So you can have a go at that now, and then that's yours to play whenever you want to. Right, your last little activity today is a sorting challenge. You have got a sheet of pictures that you can see on the screen there that has got some things that have in, some things with sh in, and some things with ch in. You need to cut out each of the pictures. If it has the sound in, you put it under in your table. If it has ch in, put it under ch in your table. And if it has sh in, then it goes under sh. So just pause me and have a go at that now, please. Right, reception class, that is our last phonics lesson of the week, all done. So give yourself a big thumbs up for working so hard. Give yourself a pat on the back and a very big clap. Well done for working so hard all week, reception class. Bye for now.